Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a button on a Squarespace. So first things first, we have to log in into our Squarespace account, and we happen to find ourselves in our workspace. In here, as you can see, we can pick a website that we want to work on. So I'm going to go with the first one, so I'm going to press the go to website, and it will take us into the website, into the editor. In here, we want to click on edit and find the page where we want to add our button. So let's go to the last one, for example. On top left corner, we have option of add block. Here in the left row, we have a button option, and we're gonna click on button. So far, it's pretty easy, and I promise you it will stay that way. So here is the video that I already have, and let's say we want to position this learn more button underneath it. So let's make it like that and give it in here. So you can watch the video and learn more underneath it. So you can pick if it's primary, secondary, or tertiary. And also let's edit the button. In here, you can pick the link. So if people click on this button, it will take them into our YouTube website or YouTube account. Just like that. And you see, it's already working. It's already inserted. So what we have to do is just click on done and then save. And everything is saved here. You see, learn button. Once you click there, Marcus Stone YouTube account. Very nice, very chill. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.